Welcome to Kiowa Riverview, located just a third of a mile from the beach and biking distance from Freshfield Village. This private enclave of cottages and villas rests on 11 riverfront acres and features new construction with age-old natural beauty. The villas approach on our left with lushly landscaped internal courtyard, covered porches, and rooftop viewing decks. Cars can park under each building. The villas are centered on 11 acres, with our low country cottages lining the perimeter. There are 6 cottage designs to choose from, and custom features may be added to accommodate your preferences. The Riverfront Amenity Center, with its pool, covered pavilion, pier, and dock, offers spectacular views of the Kiowa River and salt marsh. Tie up your boat for the day, fish, or launch a kayak. The choice is yours. Unforgettable riverfront location, exquisite design, and the opportunity for a Kiowa Island Club membership define the residences of Kiowa Riverview. This is an amazing community, and we look forward to your visit.